morning, students. Now we are discussing the important questions of amines. These questions are very important for NEET examination. The given question is which of the following gives RNC alkyl isocyanide when reacted with chloroform and KOH. Here are options given: amine, primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, and quaternary ammonium chloride. Here, aliphatic and aromatic primary amines. Aliphatic or aromatic primary amines when warmed with chloroform and an alkalic solution of KOH form isocyanide or carbalamine which have very unpleasant or foul smell. A aliphatic or aromatic. Aliphatic or aromatic primary amines. Primary amines react with chloroform. React with chloroform in presence of aqueous alkali KOH to gives isonitride or NC. Byproducts are 3KCl plus 3H2O. This reaction is called carbyl amine reaction, or it is also called isocyanide test. Isocyanide test. Here question: which of the following RNC when reacted with chloroform and KOH? Here primary aliphatic or aromatic amines react with chloroform in the presence of KOH gives RNC. This is carbylamine or isocyanide test. The right answer is primary amine. This is primary amine, secondary amine. Here acetamide is treated separately with the following reagents, which would give methylamine. Option A PCl5, option B sodium hydroxide plus Br2, option C soda lime, option D hot concentration H2SO4. Here soda lime means mixture of NaOH plus calcium hydroxide is called soda lime. Here C double bond O NH2 is called acetamide. Acetamide gives to methylamine. Methylamine. Here what happens? This amine formed contains one carbon atom less than the parent amide. Less than the parent amide. This reaction is called Hofmann bromamide degradation. Hofmann bromamide degradation. In this reaction, we are using the reagents are KOH or NaOH plus Br2 to give primary amine or methyl amine. What happens here? Primary amines can be prepared from amides by treating with Br2, KOH or NaOH. The amine form contains one carbon atom less than the parent amide. This reaction is called Hofmann bromamide degradation. Given question, which one of the following on reaction with lithium aluminium tetrahydride yields a secondary amine? Here nitroethane is CH3 CH2 N double bond O used to N minus, here N plus charge. Methyl isocyanide is CH3 NC. Methyl cyanide is CH3 CN. Here acetamide CH3 C double bond O NH2. Here what happens? These four compounds undergoes reduction in presence of lithium aluminium tetrahydride. Lithium aluminium tetrahydride to gives secondary amine. Here secondary amines, that is CH3 NH CH3. This is called secondary amine. If nitroethane undergoes reduction, then what will happen here? CH3 CH2 NO2 is converted to NH2. Then what happens here? The formation of primary amine. Next here, methyl isocyanide. Methyl isocyanide undergoes reduction. Then what will happen here? Here isocyanide group undergoes reduction. Then here addition of 3H and here addition of 1H. Then it is secondary amine. And here acetamide undergoes reduction. Then here what happens? This oxygen replaced by two hydrogen atoms. Then here what happens? CH3 CH2 NH2. Here also formation of primary amine. Methyl cyanide. Here also, here addition to hydrogen atoms and here two hydrogen atoms. Then what happens here? CH3 CH2 NH2. It is also primary amine. Then finally, which one of the following on reaction with lithium aluminium tetrahydride yields a secondary amine? That is methyl isocyanide. Methyl isocyanide undergoes reduction in presence of lithium aluminium tetrahydride to gives secondary amine. Secondary amine. The right answer is B. The question is ethyl amine can be prepared by the action of bromine and caustic potash on option A acetamide, propionamide, formamide, methyl cyanide. Here from given question, acetamide right structures CH3 C double bond O NH2 CH3 CH2 C double bond O NH2. formamide H, C double bond O, NH2. Methyl cyanide is CH3, here cyanide. Now, here ethyl amine can be prepared by the action of bromine and caustic potash. Caustic potash, it is KOH. Then here what will happen? Bromine, Br2 and caustic soda to gives to ethyl amine CH3, CH2, NH2. This is primary amine. According to question, ethyl amine can be prepared by the action of bromine and caustic potash. The bromine and caustic soda, caustic potash, it is used in Hoffman bromamide degradation. In this Hoffman bromamide degradation, the amine form contains one carbon atom less than the parent amide. Then here what happens here? In product, one, two carbons are present. Then it means in parent carbon chain contains three carbon atoms. One, two, one, one, two. This contains three carbon atoms. Then here CH3, CH2, C double bond O, NH2 react with bromine presence of KOH to gives to primary amine. This reaction is called Hoffman bromamide degradation. In this reaction, what happens? The amine form contains one carbon atom less than the parent amide. This is called Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. Then the right answer is propionamide. In presence of acid, hydrolysis of methyl cyanide gives. Here, methyl cyanide methyl cyanide undergoes acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis. Then here what will happen? CH3 C double bond OH plus NH3 is formed. Then here what happens? Methyl cyanide converts into methyl acetic acid. Methyl cyanide converts into acetic acid in the presence of acid hydrolysis. The right answer is option A, acetic. The end product of the reaction is, now we have defined C. What is C? Here C2H5 NH2 react with nitrous acid HNO2 to gives C2H5OH. It gives alcohol, and it is react with PCl5. It gives C2H5Cl, alkyl halide, which is react with ammonia to gives C2H5NH2. This is ethyl amine. The answer is B, ethyl amine. Which one of the following nitro compounds does not react with nitrous acid? Now here primary nitro compound, secondary nitro compounds react with HNO2 acid, but tertiary nitro compound does not react with nitrous acid. Now, see this one. This is secondary nitro, primary nitro, and primary nitro. This is tertiary nitro compound. It is react with HNO2. It is react with HNO2 to form oximes. Here CH3, C, C double bond O, C, CCH3, and here NO2, and here N double bond O. This is called oximes, and it is also react with to form oximes CH3, CH2, C double bond N OH, and here carbon contains NO2. This is also primary compound. It is also react with nitrous acid to gives oximes. Here CH3, CH, CH3, C double bond NOH, here NO2. Here tertiary nitro compound is does not react with nitrous acid. Then what will happen here? No reaction. Here, no reaction. Then the right answer is what is which one of the following nitro compounds does not react with nitrous acid? That is option D. Tertiary nitro compound does not react with nitrous acid. Here, when primary amine is heated with CS2 in presence of excess mercury chloride, it gives isothiocyanate. This reaction is called given four named reactions. Option A, Hoffman bromamide reaction. Option B, Hoffman mustardyl reaction. Option C, carbylamine reaction. Option D, Perkin reaction. Here we know that Hoffman bromamide reaction. In this reaction, the reactants are amides. Amide react with bromine in presence of KOH, it gives amines. In carbylamine reaction, amine react with chloroform in presence of KOH, it gives alkyl isocyanide. In Perkin reactions, in these reactions, aromatic aldehydes are participates. Aromatic aldehydes are are reactants. Now here we discussing primary amine. Primary amine is heated heated with CST in presence of mercury chloride. Mercury chloride, it gives isothiocyanate. Isothiocyanate. This is R N double bond C double bond S. This is isothiocyanate. This reaction is called Hoffman-Mustardyl reaction. In Hoffman-Mustardyl reaction, primary amine react with disulfide to form dithioalkyl carbamic acid, which decompose on heating with mercury chloride to give alkyl isothiocyanates. This is Hoffman mustard oil reaction. The right answer is Hoffman mustard oil reaction. The given question is primary amine, this primary amine react with chloroform in the presence of alkali KOH to gives alkali KOH, it gives alkyl isocyanide. Alkyl isocyanide. This reaction is called carbyl-amine reaction. Here, the first reaction, Carigiolo reaction, in this reaction, used reactants are aldehydes, and we know that in Wurtz reaction, reactants are alkyl halides. In Raman-Taman reactions, the reactants are phenols. From the given question, the reaction is known as carbyl-amine reaction. The right answer is carbyl. The question is the product formed by the reaction of an aldehyde with a primary amine is option A Schiff's base, B ketone, C carboxylic acid, D aromatic acid. Here aldehyde react with primary amine. Aldehyde react with primary amine to gives here what happens, water molecule is removed, then to form Schiff's base. Schiff's base. The formation of compound is Schiff's base. The right answer is Schiff's base. The given question, arrange the following in increasing order of basicity. Here, methylamine, dimethylamine, aniline, trimethylamine, ammonia is given. This is methylamine. It is primary amine. This diethylamine, it is secondary amine, and this is aniline, and this is tertiary amine. This is ammonia. Arrange the following in increasing order of basicity. Increasing order of basicity, that is aniline, aniline, is less than ammonia is less than primary amine is less than secondary amine is less than tertiary amine. This is increasing order of basicity in given compounds. This is in gaseous space. In gaseous space. Gaseous space. In aqueous space, the increasing order of basicity is aniline. Aniline is less than ammonia. Ammonia is less than tertiary amine. Tertiary amine is less than primary amine. Primary amine is less than secondary amine. It is in aqueous phase. Here, in gaseous phase, generally aliphatic amines are stronger bases. Aliphatic amines are here. Aliphatic amines. Aliphatic amines are stronger bases than ammonia. Stronger bases than ammonia. This is due to the reason that alkyl groups are electron releasing groups. When alkyl groups increases, the basicity of amines increases. Then here ammonia is stronger base than aniline. Here the aniline is lower than the basicity of the ammonia. The lone pair of electrons, the lone pair of electrons in aniline is involved in resonance with benzene ring. But in ethyl or in alkyl amine and diethyl amine are more basic than ammonia due to presence of electron releasing groups which increase electron density on nitrogen due to which the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen can be easily donated. So here the ammonia less basic than primary amine. It is less basic than question. Some reactions of amines are given. Which one is not correct? Here 4 reactions given. Now one by one we will see one by one. Here CH3 2N benzene plus NaNO2 plus. Here HCl gives to CH3 2N benzene N double bond NCl. Here we know that aromatic tertiary amines. This is aromatic tertiary amine. N, N dimethyl phenyl amine. It is react with NO2 plus HCl. Here aromatic tertiary amines. This is aromatic tertiary amine undergoes electrophilic substitution with nitrosonium ion at para position This is para position of the phenyl ring to form green colored para nitrosamines. Then here what happens? The aromatic tertiary amine react with NaNO2 plus HCl to give here CH3 to an here N double bond O oxygen paranitrosamine. Paranitrosamine. This is right and this is wrong. So some reactions of amines are given. Which one is not correct? The not correct is first one option A. Now we will check this also. Primary amine react with HNO2 gives alcohol. It is also right. Primary amine react with benzene sulfonyl chloride to form N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide. This is also right. And secondary amine react with HNO2 to gives di N, diethyl nitrosamine. This is also right. The answer is option A.